So Hammer,
Yeah.
what is the coolest car ever?
Generally.
Just a good old boy.
Generally speaking?
No, generally.
Yeah, so you're a fan of some Chargers, you say?
Yeah.
What if we were to build like a General Lee version of a pickup truck?
Go on.
Go on. Like a Dodge truck.
Make it 10, number 10.
Number 10. Oh, because it's bigger?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't like this.
You don't like the extended cab? What about the shag carpet as a seat? Climb up in there and see if it fit. Don't get snake bit.
I don't
bee
want
stung.
to.
Come on, sissy. Get in there.
Stop. Old school Pepsi can. Guess you forgot to apply sunscreen. This is cool. I like this.
Oh, man.
Sure.
Don't look up here, buddy. It's not impressive.
Not.
It's got the motor in it. Looks like it's been sitting for forever and ever and ever and ever. It's pretty complete. It's just like it's missing the air cleaner. It's probably in the truck somewhere. Hammer, you want a little motor or a big motor?
Big. Is that even a question? Preferably a Hemi.
Oh, Hemi too. Like, can it be like a late model Hemi?
Sure.
Sure. Something like 500 horse?
I'll need to put up a good chance to get against that Bago.
You can't put up a fight against that Bago, son. Like,
Ooh.
I mean, just not gonna happen. Good news is, you know what we'd have to replace on this truck?
What?
Just about everything. I actually have one of these up at the shop, Hammer.
You do?
Yeah, I don't have a four-wheel drive. I've got a two-wheel drive. But the body on it is really nice. So we could potentially just do a body swap. But you really like them Chargers though, right?
Yeah.
Well, you want to go look around at some Chargers?
Can?
I was just checking out the decals. MoPar Muscle Club of Tennessee. Sometimes you find them like old school decals and bumper stickers that make you chuckle.
Yeah, no.
Teach you a cool little something. A lot of times on tail lights, there will be a cast, the actual year of the vehicle that come off of.
I was looking right there. At the top of that.
What does that year say right there?
79 or 70?
I don't know if that's 70 or not. What year's the one on the pickup truck?
Numbers are backwards, so that must be.
Numbers are backwards, you just need a mirror.
So stay where you are and we'll be right back.
On the one beside it said, and I knew that wasn't a 2000.
It's not a 2000. Not at all.
Nothing been rushed that much in 25 years.
You know, walking around this place here, Hammer, is pretty neat. And you were saying you dug some of these hoods over here?
Yeah.
That's for a CUDA, bro. Hood pins in it. Another CUDA hood. Oh, and another CUDA hood.
And another?
No. We can set them down. Be easy with them, though.
I'm just holding them up.
Your daddy has a bucket list car to have him a...
Here's a CUDA hood.
No, it's Challenger. See the difference in the nostrils?
Oh, yeah.
This one's a left and a right, and that one's all bulbous. Hood treatment on them hypo cars is where it's at. You meet one on the road and it looks like it's got nostrils flaring. It's like, geez, that thing means business. What's that
There's
one?
a CUDA.
That is a CUDA hood. That's a good CUDA hood. And from the look there, Hammer, the top.
There's at least like 6 more.
Right?
Someone likes CUDAs.
Right. Which most of these hoods are kind of crunchy and rusty and that kind of thing, but
Oh
We
my
just need the
nose.
rest of the car to go with one of them.
Yeah.
Well, let's go find you a charger.
I do remember there being one over here somewhere.
Well, I was told out here in this yard, there's almost 100 68 to 69 chargers that are actually
Dadgum.
buildable. So, Hammer, what year is this one?
I'm going with 69
Why is that?
because it goes in.
Right, right. Does it have rectangular or round marker
Rectangular.
lights? Rectangular means what?
69 or 70.
Right,
Circle means 68.
right. Jeez. This one's kind of missing a piece or two.
Well, we could do some of the body off of it.
But we need the body, cuss. I wonder what engine's in it. This is a little one. This is a little bitty one.
Lame. Got some trim.
Yeah. It's kind of sad seeing these.
Yeah.
Here's the gauge cluster. It's got like a rally pack in it.
Looks like it has a buy one get three on hoods.
Okay. Reusable tail light. I bet we could build a charger out of this yard. We just have to scrounge for days. Let's see if we can find a better one.
Yeah.
Dude, holy cow. Look at this though. Man, they put screws in it, or rivets, pop rivets in it. Dude, here's just a charger door.
Nice.
This is, wow, this is like $1,000 sitting here.
You could use some of the glass off of this. This stuff even has some trim.
A little bit down on the bottom, but man, that's definitely usable for a guy who didn't have one. And it's a 69 or 70 one. It's nuts just what's sitting around in here.
Ow.
Come on, let's go find something else.
Okay.
We just looking for chargers. This is a bit more buildable car in a way, don't it?
Yeah.
Oh, and it's factory green.
Nice.
What's wild is it's kind of got a bottom in it. I'm sure it's got some rust holes in it, but it's got both doors. It's got a trunk lid. It's gonna need a roof though. Holy cow.
That one over there has
I don't
some
mind
trim.
fixing a roof though. You know why?
Hmm.
Because it's on the top. You don't have to like work upside down and all that kind of nonsense. Look, Gage, look. Charger, charger, charger,
Charger.
charger. Be cool if there was a general out here.
Yeah.
Generally speaking. It's like we're getting better cars in a way.
Weld those.
Right.
Yeah.
This one's,
Ooh, this one's good.
so you don't like 68s, Hammer?
I don't like the lights on them.
Yeah. So if we were to get this one, you would say it's lame.
We could probably just like cut it.
Oh, you just want to make it a 69?
Yeah, just cut like the tail lights and the lights.
Man, this is where me and you are kind of a little bit different. Like, I really like a 68.
I like them aside from the lights.
Yeah. I mean, it's basically the same car, but it's not. So go ahead and crawl in here, buddy. You
Still
know,
got pedals.
this one could be built too, man. We've
Primarily
started with-
interior and wiring.
Oh, yeah, but, you know, you would change all that junk anyhow. This one's got a decent top on it, but it's got a giant hole in the middle. People screwed up a lot of good cars back in the day by doing stuff like that.
Another window.
Gage, show you. 68 Chargers
Yeah.
have the door lock back here. 69 and 70 are
Have them
up
up
here.
front.
And the reason is because when you sit in this car, the seat back is like right here.
Yeah.
And you would have to like do that. I can't unlock the door.
Yeah.
It was a really big problem. So it's because the door's so long. So they moved them in 69.
Nice.
It's got them Kragers on it. Has it got 4 Kragers on it? See if it's got any center caps on them. Has it got all 4 on it?
This one don't.
That one don't. Well, we need to try to make our way across here. We can walk up there and back around. I don't feel like watching you fall into the ravine. There's a hood that somebody has crossed in the path.
That bridge is hood.
Look, Hammer, just the iconic gas stove. You know about these? They originally screw in there, but it's a flip lid. There's the bezel for it. It goes on there like so.
Pop the trunk.
But it's a 68. Dang, it don't have a trunk yet. Whoa! Man, this thing is... You can see the seats are literally falling through the floor. Still got a lot of parts in here though, a bunch of that bright work. Hey, Hammer.
Yeah.
Look at this orange looking Charger and the roof on it.
Looks to be generally.
Dude, finding a General Lee laying out in a
Crap.
junkyard to be something.
Oh, it does have an 01 on the
Got
side.
an 01, an orange Charger sitting here.
Didn't have the best body work.
Yeah, somebody's put a quarter. You know, with General Lees, man, they like jumped them and banged them and wrecked them, and they'd patch them back up and
Worth it.
all that stuff. It's got the seats and stuff in it. Dude, we got to get that back seat out of the way so that you can sit in a General Lee.
For real.
Come on, you think about.
Oh, stuck. Surprisingly not that heavy.
Right. How many people do you go to school with do you think's ever sat in a General Lee?
0.
0? Let me get up front. We'll see if we can get that steering column out of the way. Man. Dude, that's sure a few $100 right there. Well, snake bite. Oh, Jesus, it's a snake! No, I'm kidding.
Right.
Your mama
Body
right
slam.
now would have lost her mind and been cussing us and said, that's it. That's it.
Oh god, that thing's dry rotted. Ow.
Hold on. Let me see if I can. Hold on. Let me see if I can help you.
Woo! This thing is dry rotted to oblivion. That's good. Ow.
What would your arm, where would your arm be? On the steering. What about the other one? It's going to be hanging out the window. Yeah.
That's awesome. I like the seats.
Look across up here. So you going to say this is going to have a little motor in it?
No.
No. What would it have?
Heavy.
Jeez. Sound like you, whoever you've been around is teaching you bad things. Dude, it's General Lee though, bro.
Yeah, that ain't coming out.
You think this car could tell any stories, Hammer?
Maybe about some good old boys.
You think they
so-
were running from the law or doing anything dumb? This one's had a quarter put on it at some point.
Yeah.
You can see it's
Well,
been
nice.
brazed on there, yep. So it may have been them good old boys. They may have like ditched it out hauling shine. This is a premium. Looking at the VIN gauge, says it's a 69 to 70 Charger. Says it is a premium car. 2-door sports hardtop and a G, so that means it's a 383 car.
Nice.
Which is better than a 318. If it'd been that J, it'd been pretty sweet, because that'd mean it was a Hemi.
Nice.
I don't mean it can't have a Hemi now.
It's true.
Yep.
I mean, if you can put a Hellcat in a White and a Bago, you can put a Hemi in a Charger. So.
I put a Hellcat in one of these. But for a 16-year-old boy having his
Actually, right now I'm
driver's
12.
license, to have him a General Lee with a Hemi in it, would you rather have one of these in a four-wheel drive truck? Ooh.
I still think it'd be pretty funny to put it in a 4-wheel drive. Number 10.
Right. Maybe it could be like President Polk, like Polk Buns. Gotta put all this stuff back in here, because we make a deal on it. We need all these goodies. There is just something about these cars though, Hammer. The lines on them, shape of it. Even looking at this old crunchy car sitting here, it's still just cool to look at.
Oh, yeah. There she goes. Oh! I got it.
Okay.
Mason jar. I think we all know what that's from.
What? From like grandma's canned tomatoes?
It's from Sunbright or Night Bright.
I kind of want to dig in here. We're going to use your pokey stick. This is where we find one of them rattle-headed copper moccasins. There's the glove box.
Nice.
Looks like they lost the bet.
Dang.
They broke it.
Lame.
Got the lead? All right, I'll call it. We'll set that back in there.
Nah, I'll keep it. May need it later. Cool. You can just,
I'll set it in the car.
you did break some trim off.
It was cracked on there.
Ah.
Let me get a photo with you. This document this happening upon this General Lee. Heck yeah, dude. If we tried to get that out of here, oh, that ain't that bad. We'd have to jump that ravine.
Woo!
Like your style. Now, just a few minutes ago, we were walking around and we seen what appeared to be a General Lee car or somebody that built one sitting over in the weeds. And we're just sitting here, you know, wandering around. And the next thing I know, here sits another part of a car, right? And what kind of intrigued me first is I always look at the firewalls on one to see what the original factory color is, because a lot of times when back in the day people would paint just the exterior. Well, this one's green, and then you can see where it's orange poking back through, where somebody's painted back over it with either black or primer or something like that. And then I looked up here on the roof, and this is where it really just kind of made me go, what? It's some white letters, and you can faintly make out where it says Lee, and there's some of the stars and bars up here on the top. And this is another car sitting sideways. It's another firewall and front end assembly sitting with just another cowl. That's all this part of the car is. It's not even the front fenders or any of that. It's just part of the roof, the dash, and the cowl. That would be kind of interesting. I know a lot of people have painted up 69, 68, and 70 Chargers to look like a General Lee, but this one has been here for a minute and it's a section of a car. Just kind of interesting. I got to dig over here on the VIN number. I know a lot of times there was numbers and all put on the dashes. Just kind of interesting. Just kind of interesting. In this silly old MoPar world here that we're in, this guy has brought in cars from all over the country, not just here out of the South. So is this one of the ones they built? Be kind of cool if it was. Now, a few of you guys may be questioning the authenticity of this car, but that's all up to you. What I can tell you is that is a real 1969 Dodge Charger, and it is orange, and it does have an 01 on it, and it does have a flag painted on the roof. And to that little guy who just walked around and sat down in that car, well, that is as real as that thing could be. I'm holding the mirror so it'd be like on the door. You're an idiot.
That was purely
Thanks, bro. Here you go. You're like slow-moing. This is not cool, bro. I don't know where you get this from. That's why I do what I do.